Guys, this is Matthew here with Best of Haiti Real Estate. I'm in Quartier Morin, Chaste Noir, Cap-Haitian. Guys, we have acres and acres of land for sale. Just pick your plot. Choisis koto ou vle. Nous avons plusieurs de acres, plusieurs de carreaux terrain pour vendre dans la zone. Regardez tout ça net pour vendre. Tout net pour vendre. Sorti là, arrivé chez pas net. From here until the end, guys. In this area here, we have over 20 acres. So over 20, excuse me guys, we have over 50 acres. See this property here getting built? We just sold that to the owner. Where Kaisa ka bati la? Nous même qui vend terrain ça. Dans même terrain. Guys, nous avons pile terrain là, pile terrain. Lot of land, guys. Château Noir, nous dans Morin là. Dans Morin, Cap-Haitian. Très calme, zone calmée. Ou vin chita là, c'est pour un plaisir. Quand je parle avant là, il y a un pile blanc qui est en bas. It's a lot of Caucasian Americans, Caucasian French buying the area. We have already sold a lot of this land to Caucasians, white people, people from other countries, United States, Canada. What we got to go palace à bâti là, c'est nous mêmes qui vendons. We sold these properties. Look at this, guys. A lot of big properties are getting built here. This is your time, guys, to get your plot, get your own plot, and build, guys. This is in Cap-Haitian. Get away from the hustles and bustles of Port-au-Prince. Come live here with us, guys. We have acres and acres, acres and acres of land available. Ready to be purchased. Ready to be sold. Choose your plot. Choose your own plot. Acres and acres. Plusieurs carreaux, nous pas qu'à compter, guys. Choisi pour bâtir, caille, appartement, sauver ou bien faire jardin. Where ça là, c'est mon qui fait acheter. Somebody just bought this plot from us, and they're building this mansion here, guys. Matthew here with Best of Haiti Real Estate. We in Quartier Morin, Cap-Haitian. It's about a 10 to 15 minutes drive. This is about 15 minutes drive from city center. Quiet neighborhood, quiet area. Just come here and relax from the hustles and bustles of city center of Cap-Haitian. Pas dans tout bagay qui Cap-Haitien, tout machine, trafic, agay, fatra dans Cap-Haitien, ou pas dans bagay ça, c'est vinn chita là prendre plaisir. Dans Quartier Morin. Vous regardez après là sans pile diaspora. Avec blanche qui a acheté zone ça là. Ouais, ça là. Nous pas dire à qui est-ce nous vendre mais c'est avec un diaspora nous vendre ça qui a bâti parler ça là. Guys, Matthew here, Best of Haiti Real Estate, and Quartier Morin, Cap-Haitien. Choisis combien on besoin, hein? Et puis on fait prix. Choisis ce qu'on a besoin. Parce que nous avons un terrain. We have a lot of land, guys. It's a lot. Acres and acres of land in Quartier Morin. This is in our care. Owners give us this land to sell for them. Contact us, guys. Today, we'll drive here any day, anytime, or send one of our agents to come show you these lands. In Quartier Morin, Cap-Haitian. Guys, on the bottom of this video, you will see our contact information, email, phone numbers, domestic, international phone numbers, Haiti and the United States, Canada, France. You can call us from anywhere. Vous pouvez aller dans n'importe côté, en bas vidéo ça, ou après email, non, ou après téléphone nous, relais nous, pour venir bon, pour venir choisir, côté où vous voulez bâtir. Just come choose wherever you want to build. Look at this mountain's view. This is a mountain view. Beautiful, gorgeous mountain view. It's very chilly out here, man. It's summertime. It's cool out here. It's a lot of sun, but it's still cool. Quartier Morin, Cap-Haitian, guys. C'est là où vous bâtir. This is where you should build your dream home, guys. Not in Port-au-Prince, not in the city areas where a lot of hustles and bustles, but in the outskirts of Cap-Haitian city center, Quartier Morin, guys. A lot of diasporas are building here. This is one of them. A lot of Haitians, Canadians, Americans from the diaspora. In fact, near the mountains, there's a Caucasian family. It's called White Family. They built a mansion here near the mountains. Guys, come talk to us. Quartier Morin, Cap-Haitian, Cap-Haïtien, Quartier Morin. C'est là où vous bâti. On vient montrer. Regardez pour c'est pas bâti simplement non. Regardez cabrit, bœuf y a regardé là. Regardez zèbre pour prendre ah, bagay sérieux. Ciao. Contact us, guys. Come talk to us. Let's do this. Ciao.